When I was looking for outdoor furniture, I needed something that could withstand outdoor elements. So this set is made with UV proof and all weather wicker. So I didn't have to worry about it fading or getting damaged by the sun, which is kind of a big issue with some of these outdoor furniture pieces. It does have an anti-rust metal frame inside the wicker, and that gives it extra durability when you're using it outdoors. This set seats 5 people comfortably. It's got a 3-person sofa and the 2 chairs. And then the 2 ottomans can be placed anywhere in front of the sitting areas, or you can actually store them in the center like we have with this setup. This creates a really cozy space on our back porch. Putting it together was super easy and straightforward. Now, so if I'm enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or having barbecue with my family and friends on the weekend, this set kind of completes our space here and gives us some really valuable family time. And family time is what really matters most to us here in our home.